Hi, I'm Simplicio. I'm from the Philippines. I'm 40 years old and I'm working as a plumber for more than 5 years. Right now, I'm working in Qatar. I've been there for more than 2 years. My role is a plumber and I do the installation and repair of pipes for swimming pool, water and irrigation system, and sewer lines. And also I do a layout and install all plumbing fixtures like a water closet, wash basin, bathtub, shower mixer, and floor drain. I've been married for more than 15 years. My wife used to be a sales lady and now she is a housewife. I have 2 children, both physically and mentally fit, and they love playing volleyball and tennis. Once again, I'm John Pedrano. I hope to see you in Australia. Thank you.